Hey all,
welcome back to our channel, The Vegetarian Travelers.
I am Keval
And this is Komal.
and we are the Vegetarian Travelers. जैसे ही बारिश शुरू होती है हम इंडियंस के दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही चीज होती है और वो है गरम गरम पकोड़े और चाय. बट कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो कुछ और ही सोचते हैं.
Yes, we are talking about those passionate trekkers who believe nature is their home. What better time to experience nature than monsoon?
वेजिटेरियन ट्रैवलर्स के इस तीसरे एपिसोड में हम आपको ले चलेंगे महाराष्ट्र के मानेगढ़ के उन ऊंची पहाड़ियों में. एक्सपीरियंस दिस मानसून ट्रैक एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल फॉल इन लव विद इट.
Before we quickly jump into an informative, emotional, and adventurous journey, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.
Hi guys, speaking of monsoon treks, what can I say? Like one of my favorite experiences.
You need to have some basics with you, specifically when you're going in the monsoon.
We're going to talk about the type of food that you carry on a trek and how important it is. So trust me, boss, food is really important when you go on treks because you need to keep up your energy level.
And at the end of the video, we will tell you 10 important things you need to carry in your backpack and a few precautions that you need to keep in mind so that you don't get lost. Well, if you really don't know, Maharashtra is surrounded with loads of historical forts. Most of the forts have now become a trekker's paradise. Manegarh is one among the many forts.
About the monsoon treks, what you need to really understand is you need to have some basics with you, like good shoes with good sole, specifically when you're going in the monsoon, because when we were trying to climb, we had a lot of slippery posts, so we had to be very careful when we were climbing on top.
What I like about it the most is, so just being out there in nature, particularly in the rainy season, the monsoon, when it is so lush green, getting wet in the rain, exploring the true beauty of the nature, that's the experience.
Well, it's a climb worth experiencing, especially the scenic views from a height of 1876 feet above the sea level. Was built to oversee the trade route from Pune to the coastal ports. The fort was built by the chief of Maratha Navy called Kanhoji Angre. Well, this one is called the Rock for Lime Mixing, a circular trench.
I think one thing that as a trekker I would request, respect that place and the history of the place. Somewhere that history is the only thing that's brought you here today. When we reached Manegarh on top, it was so beautiful that you have to be with yourself at that time. There was a good spot in Manegarh where we could see everything down there. And at that spot, the only thing that came to my mind was I just wanted to sit and I just wanted to meditate, just to be by yourself at that time.
What type of food you can carry? One, energy bars. Second, quick bites while you're walking the trail. Third, carry fruits if possible. Make sure that they are already cut so that you don't litter. Fourth, good quantity of food which gives you high calories or say fats. A simple bread butter would also do with good amount of butter. And fifth and the most important part, at least 2 to 3 liters of water when combined with electrolyte will give you instant energy, because not only the climb but even the descent is important. So make sure that do not finish up all the food when you reach the summit, because you have to descend as well. So save something for the descent.
So guys, I would also like to share an experience about trekking, particularly when you are going up on a steep hill climb, tired going up there, wishing when you get on the top, basically it all ends, but that is actually the feeling when you're on top. That feeling of accomplishment, of finally being there on top. When you look down particularly, and when you look down at all the chaos that you've left behind, you just feel like, you know, I mean, when you're on top, that tranquility, that peace, that moment that you're with yourself, that is the reason why I'm always longing to go for treks, basically.
At the same time, when you're coming down is even more bad because you do not have any support, you're against the gravity, so you kind of slip a lot.
As a trekker, you would know the best view comes after the hardest climb. And yes, Manigad is one of the best examples. We personally believe you have to travel to see it because pictures can be incomplete. Well, every trek has its own adventure and stories. These are some of the things to keep in mind.
Always stick together and follow your lead.
If at all you go with your own team, make sure to have a lead and a tail ender.
Do not get separated from your crew.
The worst thing to happen is a mobile network. Well, you really don't want to get lost in the jungle. There is no way one can get in touch through phones as there is always going to be a tower problem. So please stick to the crew.
10 important things every trekker should carry during their monsoon treks. 1. Water and electrolyte. 2. Your energy bars. 3. Your food item. 4. A lighter. 5. A Swiss knife. 6 is a zip bag. 7. Your cap and waterproof jackets. 8. A flashlight. 9. A first aid kit. And 10. A rope. Until next time, stay tuned and keep watching The Vegetarian Travelers.